Hello guys, and welcome to this awesome video. So in this video I'm going to be telling you how, or showing you how to get your monthly statements on Payoneer, which is very easy. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Payoneer account and scroll to the click on the manage option, which is the last option below. Then scroll, choose the second option on the new page you are in, reports and statements. Then scroll and choose the monthly statements option here. Boom. Once you click on it, a new page should um come out, and then you can click on this. You can create a transaction report, or you can look for any balance you want, choose from the balance you want, choose the particular month, then choose the year. Let me just choose 2024, and then choose the format you want it, PDF or Excel, which is also CSV file. Then let me say I want it in PDF. Click on download, and you'd generate it and download it, and in a few minutes you can see here it's already downloaded. Let me even open it so we can open it to see the file. Okay, so in the month of January 2024, I I had nothing in that account. So no. Okay, so that is it guys, for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one. And please subscribe. Thank you very much.